Smile Relationship Court is now in session. The Honorable Simone Clark Cooper is the judge presiding in court, and court is called to order.
We need to fire Benji first of all.
Oh, Your Honorship. Good morning, Your Honorship. Oh, stop, no. Oh, I forget to say I judge, but can't talk to you, sir.
Don't speak to me like that, Mr. Bell, in my court. Address me with respect, please.
Let me fix up myself here. I'm sorry, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Bell,
Yes, ma'am.
I understand you have a few relationship issues to present this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
So please go ahead and
What
state your
I
case
must
and I
call
will
you?
rule.
I must call your mom, Your Honorship, your lady,
I like your honor boats.
Your Honor boss.
It's more than just a ship. This situation.
Your
Your
Lord.
ladyship.
Lord is not can be a woman.
O
Lord.
wisest one ever created.
You that?
Yes.
All right, so always this one ever created.
Speaking.
If you are in a secure relationship, your partner should have access to your phone.
That's not. Are you arguing the case or are you asking me a question?
Well, I am saying that your
You
partner...
need to make the argument and
no,
then I will
I
tell
am,
you.
But if you just listening, or you're... Wait, your name?
O wisest one
Oh,
ever
why is this
created.
one? You need to stop that.
This
while I
wig,
speak.
how do
Me no
people
look
do
like- me no
this
look
every
like
day?
that. Me no look proper in my foot. Wait here, right.
Button up your shirt, please. We
Your
don't need to
wisest
see your
one.
chest hairs.
Hear what I'm saying now?
I'm listening, sir.
I don't think... Dear God. I don't think you're supposed to have access to anybody's phone, but you're one. I don't see why you must have access to anybody's phone. You have your own phone. So if you have your own phone, why would you need to have access to someone else's phone, whether it's your partner or not? That is my argument. I am saying...
I think that your argument, I think you're supposed to
Can
be
I
arguing.
finish your worship?
Producer, is he not supposed to be arguing for this position? This lawyer is the
Oh, I'm
worst.
supposed to be saying you must have access to the phone.
Do not hire him. He don't finish.
Oh, all right,
He
all
don't
right.
even make it
Wait,
to the
all
door
right,
of the
make
bar,
a
much
change.
less to get a drinks.
Make I
What
change
do
my
you
mind.
do?
Make
All
I
right.
change my mind.
Okay,
I
ready.
have the
Mr.
right.
Bell, let me hear your arguments.
All right. Whew. Oh, sir, I don't think you must have
Come on,
access to
let's
the
hear
phone.
it.
All
Yes,
right, you
so-
must have access to the phone because it's your partner. So if it's your partner's supposed to have access to everything that you have. That's why you are the partner. So why, if we are partners, you're... What's your name?
Oh, wisest one.
Oh, wisest one.
Ever created.
Why you're wisest one if it's your partner? You must have access to the phone. You must have access to everything. All in car, pocket,
Oh,
money.
I like that last part. All right. For the pocket, not for the phone. Argument, not sound. Superficial, not researched. Move on to the next matter.
You know, yeah, I don't say wisest one. my
I'm
whole
very
world.
unimpressed by your arguments, Mr. Bell. Very unimpressed.
You are the don't-says
I'm
wisest one.
very unimpressed. Move on. Next one.
Your partner should post you on social media.
Let me-
Yes! Must.
Why?
Because it's your partner just said, well, you're not listening, you know, you're wisest dunce one. You're not listening. Listen to me.
Yes.
It's your partner. Anything. Social media? Mm-hmm. What that? Like WhatsApp and thing?
Wow. See? That's what I'm saying. You cannot have somebody who represents
WhatsApp
you
is
who...
social media, don't it? Well, I am on social media, I'm on WhatsApp. Anyway, make I get back to the
I
discussion.
think
Can I finish your wisest dunce one? Your partner should post. What do you mean by post you? What that mean by post you?
to leave you wherever you are and not show.
What do you mean? No, I'm serious. What do you mean by post you?
Put pictures of yourself and your partner out into the social space
Of
on
course,
Instagram.
of course. That's why it's your partner. Put it up. Make people say it's my partner. I'm proud to have your wisest dunce man. What do you feel about that?
What about privacy matters and so on?
We're not posting privacy. We just post on my yesterday, so smile.
Why are you leaning on? Can you get up off me in my courtroom? Where's the bailiff? Benji bailiff?
Hold on. You should give up on your relationship after 5 years if you don't get married.
Let me hear
Yes. So if after 5 years and you don't get married, you're not going to get married to that person again. So you must give up. I'd give up after 5 months.
Mr. Bell, are you married?
Why your wisest dunce one?
It's just a part of,
No,
how I get to reach my verdict. Are you married?
I'm not.
Why would that be the situation? Have you ever been in a relationship?
Right. It did reach 5 years. I'm in married. Decide say, my God, How me end up in this?
I have to
No,
have
me
all
a
the
liar.
information. I have to collate all the information to be
Yeah.
able to make up an educated, informed ruling.
Yeah.
So you are saying you were in a relationship, but you were not proposed to why you left, or were you the unproposer?
What that word I mean?
I'm not quite sure, but just work with it.
I am not husband material.
I agree with that. Court is out of session. There's nothing more that needs to be said today.
Yeah, worse.
No,
Just that one.
that I agree with. We're not even going to spend any more time on
No,
that argument. Go on
people in
again.
relationships should not have best friends of the same sex.
Final matter. Let's hear it, Sir
I
Ben.
agree.
Why
So, hold on.
should not
Best
have?
friends should not have best friends of the same sex?
Yes.
That don't make no sense. So you mustn't have a best friend?
I must not have. Why are you referring to me?
Because it's the wrong thing. This should not
You know
say.
what it means. So it's saying if you are
opposite.
with
You should-
somebody,
in other words, you should not have no man who is your best friend when I am your boyfriend.
if you understand, make the argument.
Because I'm reading from
So
it.
make
I
the
agree
argument.
with that. I agree. Why is your best friend? It shouldn't be your best friend. I am your best friend. I am your partner. Remember you post me on social
So
media.
why does your
Remember
partner
that?
have to be your best
Remember
friend?
you have access to my phone. Remember that. Right? You put me up on social media, say.
But we didn't
I
find
am-
on we
I
didn't
am
find on
bae.
those we didn't
Yeah.
find on those
You
arguments.
put say me is bae. So how you going to have a next bae over there as your
What
best friend?
does bae mean?
We into things. Bae is man or bae is woman?
Wow. Wow. See,
The other day,
these
me
are
say,
the
the other day,
issues.
me say, I want to be a good as, and then tell me say only woman can be good as.
And that is my final ruling on that matter.
We decide say I am the first male
However,
good
we
as.
did
You know,
say
say
that
me
we
look
were
nice and
granting
me
you
suit
good as
and thing.
status.
I am the first male good as in life.
Never good as.
I
All
mean
right. So my ruling today
Wait, now we
is
done with the
that,
same sex thing.
um,
You know me like that one, this the sex thing. Me like this one.
court is out of session for today because it's descending into a bit of a gully. And
Don't allow you in good a while ago.
you were terrible. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need someone to represent you well in court,
Call me.
this session should have taught you where not
All right,
to go.
in a
Thank you for
serious way.
joining us
All right,
today
wait, no.
on the People's Court.
Yeah, but hold on, because before you go, you might not understand what this is about. I do not think you must have access to nobody's phone. You want to post
You
everybody you
wouldn't.
want to post. I don't know about if you want to give up on your relationship. Suppose the relationship's nice after 5 years and you don't want to be married.
True.
I had this friend that I'm serious. The man, them lady,
There's no storytelling time for court. We
together
can talk.
forever and them don't married. People in relationships should not have best friends. Why not? So why me can't have a lady who's my best friend and she's my officially? Why not? Nothing wrong with that.
You know, Mr. Bell, I'm very uncomfortable with how you keep referring to me in this matter. The judge is above the fray and not to be included in your petty arguments.
What's your name again?
Can you kindly, bailiff, can you kindly remove this
Your
gentleman from the
wisest
court?
dunce one.
Bailiff, you may talk, youth.
Hey boy, come over here. Come over here now. Come over.
Could you please
Go on.
remove the gentleman
Your wisest dunce one. Let me
from
just
the
come over
court?
here, boy.
Court is out of session for today. Adjourned, actually.
That's
We'll
how lawyers be, eh?
leave the courtroom and head to Parliament right after this. We'll be right
Head
back.
to
Bailiff! Come and remove this gentleman.
No,
Lean
your
up off of my
wisest-
decks. Yes, how you
your
be in the
wisest-
courtroom?
I can't keep on my suit. Like, come
Did you come to the courtroom in class?
Eh?
You're not supposed to pull your button in the court. We'll be right back,
You
everybody.
can't wear class.
Fun.